These are the Popco silicone oven mitts, and check it out. They have a nice grip feature, and then it's cotton lined here too. And these are also waterproof as well as heat resistant up to 450 degrees. This measures 13.7 inches, which are going to protect your wrists and arms while cooking. This is also quilted inside and very comfortable to wear. This is also machine washable too. I also like the textured design, which helps keep it from being slip resistant. Another nice feature, it has these loops, so you can hook it on when you're done cooking. I received this from Popco for evaluation purposes, and I truly love it. These provide extra protection while cooking, baking, and grilling too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.